Look, Ethan, he's not happy. Don't get right in his face, and he's gonna strike the glass. That's a scary rattlesnake, right? He can't get you. He's in a cage, but he's mad.
Ethan Roberts Play Corner. Hi, and welcome to Ethan Roberts Play Corner. I'm Ethan, and this is my sister Aubrey. And today we are going to go on a nature walk.
Okay, let's go.
Let's.
Look at all the pretty butterfly paintings.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Aubrey, what's down here? Look, there's bows. What do you think it is?
That one? I think that's a manatee.
That is a manatee. They only have 2 legs, right?
I see a turtle.
Wow, look at him.
That's a
He's
tortoise.
moving.
Tortoise. What's in here?
Look. That's pretty cool, right, Aubrey?
That's it walking around. I thought there was supposed to be 2.
He's so cute.
Look on the side right there of you.
Oh my goodness, what is that, Aubrey?
I know. There's an eagle. Eagle.
That is a bald eagle. They rescued him. He's pretty cool.
Wanna look up there? Parrot.
A what?
There. You're supposed to talk when I say something.
Oh, that's the one we saw upstairs, huh?
Yeah, but he was supposed to copy me when I say hi, parrot. Hi, parrot.
Well, not all birds copy you. Come on, let's go see what's in here. He wants to eat. Look, he's eating.
I know what to eat. He's eating leaves.
What's he eating, Aubrey? He eats leaves?
Yeah.
Look, there he is again. He looked at me. Look, there's a raccoon eating. There's a raccoon. See, they had to rescue him too because probably he got hurt. He has a cute little face.
Yeah, but raccoons may be cute, but they can fight you. I think that
Sometimes.
one's like.
Mostly they just want food.
I think that one stinks. I see a butterfly.
Where's the butterfly?
Right there.
Oh, so pretty.
Yeah.
Want to see if we can get one to land on you? He's pretty.
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Look, scared me. He like flew over my head.
It's okay.
Look, there's little caterpillars. That's what caterpillars turn into butterflies, right?
Where?
Right
Where's
here
the
in this
caterpillar?
plant.
Where's the caterpillar?
Right here, look.
Yes.
Oh, there's a lot of butterflies over there.
There's 2.
See if we can find any different kinds.
I
Oh, look.
found-
Here's a different kind. See, those ones over there are orange, and then this one is a different color. Pretty, right?
I want to eat. Think he's eating.
He's eating.
Yeah. Two.
Ooh, there's 2.
Yeah. Let's eat the caterpillar.
Butterflies are the gentlest thing ever. You should put your finger out and let them land on it. Look, what kinds are these orange ones that are flying around? Aubrey, where's the orange one on here? Can you see?
Yeah. Stick is right here. Down there.
No, that's the yellow. This one? And then Mommy saw a brown one. I think this one. Right?
Let me look at the shape.
Mostly it's the orange ones. You saw that one too now?
Yeah, but now that one is
gas to get into your scavenger hunt now. That's your heart-shaped ones? So we could check off heart-shaped leaves. Aubrey, help Ethan with his scavenger hunt. Do you see any brown bark?
No.
Do you know what bark is?
That?
Yeah,
That's
it's
brown.
on a tree. You don't see any brown trees?
I see brown trees. A brown bark, that is.
So we found brown bark and heart-shaped leaves. Here, go in front of me so you can find the stuff.
Are you just checking it off?
Now you have to find red stems. Come on, Aubrey, go with Ethan.
Time there's two little bees. Bees were trying to walk around and get nectar. And then they found nectar from a flower. This one was over here, and this one was all the way over here. They sucked nectar with their trunk, and then they hurried it back to the hive, and they made it into honey. And then they stung.
That's the end of your story?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is it?
It's a spider.
A touch box. Put your hand in it. What is that?
A bee.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Aubrey, get one.
It's your turn to get one.
They're all fake. You don't have to be scared of it. Put your hand in there.
They're all fake, Aubrey. I'm so scared.
Where's the hand puppet?
Oh, one is right there. There's only this one, that's it.
Oh, it's a cute owl.
But I got my detector snake. It can move his head.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
I think it's an owl. It's a white owl.
What do owls say?
There's two species of snakes in there.
There's more snakes in here.
Yeah, and I'm gonna try and reach out one and get one.
So, rat snakes, they're harmless.
Oh
They're
my God,
scary
I
but
just
harmless.
got some snake skin. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, look at that one, look at that one. Look at that one, Mommy.
Look, Ethan, he's not happy.
Okay, please.
Don't get right in his face, and he's gonna strike the glass. That's a scary rattlesnake, right? He can't get you. He's in a cage, but he's mad.
Really mad.
What's this?
I think it's crocodile.
It says it's a monitor, which is a type of lizard, right? Look, a bearded dragon. You could have those as a pet, you know.
That guy's rattling his tail again.
I know, he's not happy.
Come here, a parrot. I always tell you. Ida, I just tell you. Okay, but there's a parrot. Hello, parrot. Hello, parrot. And look at these guys. These guys are creepy.
Like a tree snake, a tree boa.
Wait. head. It's kind of weird. Look at this guy's head. I think it's weird.
He's like just chilling.
And come here, guys. I don't see the name here, but what is that guy?
That's just a python. You can take those home. You can own them.
Python?
Some people have pythons in their home. But come show us what's over here, Aubrey.
The rattlesnake again. Oh, God.
More snakes.
Not stronger enough. This snake.
Where's his head?
I don't know.
He's buried.
He's buried. He buried his head. That's cool.
This guy's still mad over here. Well, at least they rattle so they warn you and you don't get bit, right?
Whoa! Look at this. Look at this guy.
I see.
Yeah.
It's a Burmese python.
And this one too? Mommy, this is a Burmese python.
The one on the bottom, I think, is another rattlesnake, but he's not mad. Which one's your favorite?
I think that one.
That one. What's he doing?
I think he's digging for something. I think he's digging for bugs to eat. No, they don't eat bugs. Mama,
What's in it?
I think there's a snack right there.
Look.
Yes, I'm getting.
They glow in the dark.
New turtle species. Look at those guys. Those guys are weird. And they're weird swimmers.
It's a turtle.
Oh, okay, but what's the name up here?
It says Diamondback Terrapin.
Really?
Swimming around. Look, he's looking at you.
Hey, I see a goldfish. They're probably looking for goldfish. Or
Well,
little
if they
snails.
live together, they don't eat them. Look, what's that, Aubrey?
That is called a black bear. Ooh, look right there.
Well, he's just fake right now, right?
Yeah, and look right there. You can see an owl. Right there. Owls come out at night.
Aw, he's so cute. It's like a baby owl.
So cute.
Look, Aubrey, how cute is that? He's adorable.
Is that owl adorable, Aubrey? He's so cute.
Where's the alligator, Aubrey? I think that's what this is. Is it?
Yes.
Aw, it's a baby one.
Good thing it's not that big. I think he's not floating.
No, I think he's
This
just
one's legs.
resting.
Yeah. And I
Right?
can't believe it. That was so adorable. I want this small shell.
Mm-hmm. You got a shell?
These are big.
Do they come from the ocean?
Oh my God. Look at this type of snake. I feel like that's an eel.
I think it's the eel because he lives in the water. He doesn't look dangerous.
Okay. I think it's black. Cross my legs
Yeah.
and crawl away. Oh, wait. I hope you had fun many animals with us. Bye. See you next time.
Okay, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.